Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Customer states car overheats. I think she has a thermostat problem. They just replaced the radiator. I think we should probably start with some coolant, maybe. I don't know, tightening the fucking radiator cap.
This is one of the most random issues I have ever seen in a vehicle. In short, what was likely happening was the electric power steering motor was causing electromagnetic interference with the car's antenna.
Keck W.
So that's a cat. That's a cat. That's a resonator, right? Am I right?
Not every day do you see a three-wheel drive vehicle like this. I have no idea why it's like this either.
It's loose.
Customer asks, "Is my wheel fixable?" A customer was considering buying this vehicle before this rust patch was thankfully discovered. Just a little bit of a diesel leak there.
Holy Yeah, I saw it.
This unfortunate customer had a tire belt snap 2 days after having a nail removed. Customer's engine mounts are a little worn, plus they're in need for a top-up of some good old blinker fluid.
All right, start her up. Music to my ears. This is why you don't buy a Buick.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.